The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas.
I've got another great holiday appetizer for you. Crescent rolls, cranberry sauce, brie. Sound familiar? Well, this time it includes bacon, so you know it's got to be good. I'm going to make it for you right now. I'm going to start with chopping my ingredients. I have fresh rosemary. So you just pull them off the stalk. And next you're going to need about 6 pieces of bacon already cooked. I'm going to move that over. And I'm going to chop it up a little bit more. So it's cooked, it's chopped, but I want it a little bit finer. Okay, next I have a piece of brie. I think I'll just put it right up here. I'm going to cut the rind off. Let's see, I think I'll start with I bought the Crescent Grands, which I've never seen before. I didn't mean to get them. I didn't know they have them, but I'm going to use them. This is about my favorite part of the whole thing. Okay. Now, if you're using the regular crescent rolls, you might need 2 packages. I'm thinking, since these are grands, I'm only going to need this 1 package. So same thing, it's perforated. I have a bowl in the center, so it's going to help me form my circle. Start with some cranberry sauce. Now it called for half a cup, but I'd say you decide how much. Next I'm going to add my brie. Okay. Next is our bacon. I'm going to use some of this bacon at the end also. Okay, we're going to lift this out very carefully. There's your center. And we're going to start lifting these corners in and tucking it underneath. So I think you want it a little bit open. A little sneak peek of what's in there. All right, now we're going to brush with the egg. And it's going to cook about 18 to 22 minutes, but you definitely have to watch this one. Okay. I think I'll make it 19 minutes. All right, now we're going to have to wait.
Oh, beautiful.
That looks great.
Can't wait to bite in that.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're going to let it cool a little bit. We're going to top it with more bacon. And I would use fresh rosemary. Smells so good, and it smells like the holidays. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more after we shift it over to our serving dish. In all the excitement, I forgot to tell you what it was called. It's Bacon Brie Crescent Wreath. So.
It's spectacular looking.
It really does look fancy.
You have a knife over there?
I do have a knife. You want to cut?
Wow, I'm trusted. Still a little soft.
We couldn't wait. Uh-oh.
Oh, cranberry down. Ooh, look at that.
So I just put the cranberries in the middle for decoration. They are not cooked, so you couldn't really eat them.
Glad you told me that.
Yeah.
Because I'm a guy.
Here, I'll take it for you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, we could have waited a few more minutes, but we really couldn't.
Would you like a napkin?
That would be wonderful.
Think you're going to need it?
Yep, I think so too. And I had put a little bit more rosemary, a little more bacon on the top.
Oh, this is perfect.
Ooh, it's still a little soft.
Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. Oh, everything about this is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
Yeah,
my.
you definitely have to let it sit because it's still warm.
That's good.
But it's really good. Mm-hmm. Delicious.
Fresh pastry, bacon,
Yeah. What could be wrong with
brie
that?
cheese, cranberry sauce. Oh,
We're going to eat this.
The snow is falling down.
good job.
I've been longing for.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos twice a week. And the recipe's always in the description box.
See you guys later.
See you next time.
Nice.
Happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, cause I'm hoping for us
Wow.
to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like I've already